What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This one is really cool. You guys have been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this for the longest time. Photopea finally has actual 3D text and it's super easy to do. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so the first thing you want to do is obviously get your text tool over here on the left side of your screen and click anywhere on your canvas and type in whatever you want. So I'm going to go with Cambit, and you can choose whatever font you want up here. Doesn't really matter. And I'm going to move that to the center of the screen. Okay, so now what you want to do is double click on your text over here on the right side. And you'll see down here, there is a 3D option. So if you check that box, you'll see it adds basically like a drop shadow, but it's 3D, right? And here you can adjust everything like distance, the shrink, so how far it goes back, and a bunch of other stuff. So this is super cool. Or if you want to make this, instead of it going up, you can make it go down by changing the angle. Like that. And actually, I think a font that's more like round and thick would be good for this, in my opinion. But you can change it to whatever color you want. So we could make the text, let's just make the text red. And we'll make the drop shadow, or the 3D, a darker red, right? So look at that. Now it's 3D, and I'm gonna make it bigger just so you can see it better. Look at that. That's sick. That's super cool. See how easy that was? And it looks really good as well. Another thing you can do is I'm going to delete that and I'm going to type in my name, right? But I'm going to just type in each letter individually. I'm just going to type in Cam because I don't want to do that. So adjust them, rotate them as you need to. Okay. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. Click on your top one, hold shift and click on your bottom one so they're all selected, or you can hold control and click on all of them. Right click, convert it to a smart object. So now it's all one. Now what you can do is double click on that layer and add 3D. So now you can see, I don't know, sometimes people do this when they're making like banners and stuff. They like make all the letters individual, and honestly, I'm super glad that they added this because it was kind of annoying to do before, and now it's super easy and looks really good. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that this is a feature and it's super easy to use. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.